Hello children, we are back on chapter number 10, class 6, mensuration. Exercise 10.1. Find the perimeter of each of the following figures. You must have learnt from the previous classes children कि perimeter is sum of all the sides. If you start from here, if you move from this side or this side and come back to the same point, the sum of the numbers will give you the perimeter. ओके बच्चे, पूरा घूम के जब वापस आओगे that will give you the perimeter of the given figure. Now if we start from here, so it is 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7 and plus 5 12. So you can see children here perimeter is 12 centimeter. Likewise in all these figures we just do the sum of all the sides. The measurement, if we start in figure B from here, so 35 23 35 40, if you do sum of all these numbers we'll get 133. That is the perimeter of the given figure. Okay children, now in figure C, all the sides are 15 centimeter apart. So just we can do 4 into 15, or we can add 15 15 15 15 4 times and we'll get the perimeter 60 centimeter. And the next figure, it is a pentagon. It is a regular pentagon. Regular means all sides are equal. Here we can see that the sides of pentagon is equal 4 centimeter. So in case of this we can write in short 5 into 4 is 20, or we can add 4 5 times 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. This is the perimeter children. Perimeter is 20. In next figure, here we can, if we start from here, if you go upward or if you go right hand side and coming to the back the same point, so if you add all these numbers you will get perimeter 15 centimeter. Check it children. 2.5 2.5 2.5 2.5 is what? 5, and 0.5 is 1. So 5 plus 1 6, 6 or 4 8, so 14. 6 plus 8 is 14 plus 1 15. See, similarly you can get the perimeter of this swastik children. If you start from this point and come back to this point after complete round, so you will get perimeter 52. Add it and check it. Okay children. Now next question 2. A lid of a rectangular box. एक बॉक्स है, उसका ऊपर का जो ढक्कन है साइड 40 सेंटीमीटर बाय 10 सेंटीमीटर, यानी कि लाइक दिस. बॉक्स इज लाइक this. So length is 40, breadth is 10. Is sealed all around with tape. उसको चारों तरफ से टैप लगाना है, बाउंड्री पे टैप लगाना है. What is the length of the tape required? That is the similar number of perimeter. If you find the perimeter of this rectangle, we can say this कि how much tape is required. Okay children. So length is 40, breadth is 10. Formula is what? 2 into L plus B. You just L plus B first, that is 40 plus 10 50 and 2 ja you will get 100 children. See, the formula is given here, 2 into L plus B. So 40 plus 10 is 50 and 2 is 100. Now in question number 3, same rectangle is given. A tabletop measure 2 meter 25 centimeter by 1 meter 50 centimeter. What is the perimeter of the tabletop? Same formula. Formula is 2 into L plus B, and if we put the L is how much? 2.25 centimeter and 1 meter 50 centimeter, that means 1.5 meter. If we add it here, we will get 3.75 and 2 ja, we will get final answer 7.5 meter. Okay children, now question number 4 is deleted from your syllabus. We'll do question number 5. A rectangular piece of land measure 7.5 kilometer length and 0.5 kilometer breadth. Each side is to be fenced with 4 rows of wire. उसको 4 बार फेंस करना है, एक बार, फिर दूसरी बार, देन थर्ड टाइम एंड फोर्थ टाइम. इस तरीके से उसको फेंस करना है. व्हाट इज द लेंथ ऑफ द वायर नीडेड? सो एक टाइम उसका पेरीमीटर निकाल दो, मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 4. सो पेरीमीटर इक्वल टू व्हाट? 2 into L plus B. So L is 7.5, B is L is 0.7 and B is 0.5. If we add both these, we will get 1.2 and 1.22 ja, will get perimeter 2.4 kilometer. And how many times you have to fence? 4 times. उसके ऊपर 4 बार वायर लगाना है. So 2.44 ja will get 9.6 kilometer. Okay children, next question is question number 6. The measurements of triangles are given here. Triangles having 3 sides. A triangle side 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. What we have to find is perimeter. Just add these 3 numbers, 3 plus 4 plus 5, you will get perimeter 12 centimeter. Similarly, second triangle is equilateral. That means what? This triangle is having all sides same. That is, one measurement is given 9 centimeter. So 9, 9, 9. All sides are same in equilateral triangle. So 9 3 ja will do children, and we'll get 9 3 ja 27 centimeter. In question number C, an isosceles, that means 2 sides are same. Triangle having 2 sides same. Equal side is 8. So if it is 8, this will also be 8. Okay children. And third side is 6. What do we get? 8, 8 and 6. So 2 8 ja 16 plus 6 22. Either you can you can do 8 plus 8 plus 6 instead of doing multiplication 8 2 ja 8 plus 8 plus 6. That will also give you 22 centimeter. Question number 7 is deleted from your syllabus. Question number 8 we are on now. Find the perimeter of regular hexagon. What is the meaning of hexagon and what is the meaning of regular hexagon? First of all, hexagon is having 6 sides, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and if the regular word is used, that means what? This hexagon is having all sides equal. Measurement is what? 8 meter. That means all sides are having 8 8 8 8 6 times. So in formula we can write 6 times of side of regular hexagon. So 6 side is what? 8 meter and 6 are. So we will get perimeter 48. Next question 9 is deleted. You can do yourself if you want to practice it. Next, yes. Question number 10. The perimeter of a regular pentagon is 100 centimeter. How long is each side? Perimeter is given here, children. 100 centimeter, not side. Complete perimeter is given. That means what? The sum of side 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 sides sum is given 100 centimeter. So measurement of one side will be how much? 100 divided by 5. 100 divided by 5. So we will get 20 centimeter. If we put here 20 centimeter this side, and if you find the perimeter of all sides 20, 20, 20, 25 times, so you will get perimeter 100. So यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा उल्टा दिया था कि perimeter. And pentagon is what? 5 side. And regular is given word. Keep in mind. That means all the sides are equal. Okay, children. So question number 11. You can see here. Answers are given here. Okay. You can verify. Check it yourself. Question number 12. Do it yourself. It is just triangle. Two sides are given in triangle. And perimeter is given 36. We need to find what? Third side. So two sides 12 and 14 you add it and subtract from 36. So if you add 12 and 14 you will get 26, and 36 minus 26 you will get third side. Okay, children. This is also you need not to do here in your copy. And next is 13. Find the cost of fencing a square park of side 250 meter. One side is how much? 250 meter. 250 meter. Okay, children. At the rate of rupees 20 per meter. If it is 250 meter, then all the sides is having 250 meters because this is a square. That means if you want to find the perimeter, we can do just forja of 250. We have the formula, that is 4 into side. Side is how much? 250. Forja will get 1000 meter. Then we need to find the cost of fencing. So cost of fencing 1 meter of a square park is 20 rupees. That is given in the question. So whatever the perimeter, this will be divided by 20. So the cost will be rupees 20,000. Okay, children. Now question number 14. Find the cost of fencing a rectangular park 175 meter length and 125 meter breadth at the rate of rupees 12. So length given, breadth is given. You just have to find the cost of fencing. So first of all, fencing is what? Whenever the fencing word is given, it means perimeter. उसके चारों तरफ क्या लगाना है? फेंसिंग लगाना है, बाउंड्री करना है. So length, breadth and formula 2 into L plus B. Put the values here. You will get the perimeter 600 meter, and rate is 12 rupees 12. Whatever the perimeter multiplied by 12, you will get answer rupees 7,200. Question number 15. Sweetie runs around a square park of 75 meter. Square park of 75 meter. Okay, children. And Bulbul runs around a rectangular park with length 60 and breadth 45. Who covers less distance? स्वीटी जो है यहाँ पे चक्कर लगाती है स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम हियर, पूरा चक्कर 75 75 75, 4 टाइम्स 75, 4 इंटू साइड 4 टाइम्स 75, सो शी रन्स 300 मीटर। वेल बुलबुल जो है, जो रेक्टेंगुलर जो पार्क है वो लेंथ है 60 मीटर एंड ब्रेथ इज 45 मीटर। सो वी नीड टू फाइंड द पेरीमीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगुलर पार्क। अगर वो यहाँ से स्टार्ट करते हैं तो 60 45 60 45, दैट मीन्स एज पर द फॉर्मूला 2 इंटू लेंथ ब्रेथ प्लस करेंगे और उसका पूजा करेंगे, विल गेट 210 मीटर। सो स्वीटी covers distance almost 300, where bulbul covers distance of 210. So question was who covers less distance. So we can say that bulbul covers less distance. Okay children. So question number 16 you can do. It is as per question number 1. Sum of the all sides. You can do yourself children. Okay. And question number 17. Avnik buys 9 square paving slab each with a side of half meter. He lays them in the form of a square. Try yourself children. Question number 17. Okay. Bye bye. Have a good day.